So hey everyone, welcome back. And this is a problem 3. This problem is basically a different problem, and it's not a chapter problem. It's a code device problem that you will not be able to do the code in 2 lines or 3 lines. However, you can do, but with considering all the corner cases, this problem takes a little bit of more space in your text editor while coding. So this problem has been called as a PigLatin problem. So what does PigLatin means is, you have to, if you have read the book, you already know. So it's basically appending, if there is a vowel there, appending it with y, or else appending it with ay, when it's a consonant, but removing the first index and placing it in the last one for that word. So let's see. So this will be your program that print and enter the English message to translate into PigLatin, and the input you will put will be stored in the message. Then you will have vowels as A, E, I, O, U. That will be a list or array for you. Then you will have a PigLatin list where you will store the new values. So how you will do it? So basically message is there, so you will go word by word in the message, and you will have a variable prefix non-letters. So what is this prefix non-letters is, if you have a non-letter in the starting of the word, then you will deal with this. So when the length of the word is greater than 0, obviously, and the word at the starting means the word at the index 0, or I can say the letter at the index 0 of the word is alpha. That means that is a alphabet value, but there we have this not means that's not an alphabet value. So what you will do is, you will prefix this in this word, you will prefix the first value plus equals to, that it will append to itself. Then you will put this word is equals to word 1 - 0. Okay, so that means you will slice the word from the first index. You will start the counting the word from the first index, and then if the length of the word, so what you will do is, now you are going to go for each of the one, it will go, it's a loop. Okay, you will go word by word. Once the length goes to 0, then you will append all the non-letters, and that's it for this loop, for this while loop only. Okay, don't, because you know that indentation it's after the for one, so you will be continuing the same. Now you will go non-letters at the end of the word. You will go from the last one, and you will see if that is the case. If not, if the case is there, you have to do this same operations, and that's it, done for the non-letters. -1 means you just go to the last one. And remember, if the word is in uppercase or title case, so you have to just have a check on it. And if the word was upper or title, okay, title means the caps T, or upper means the whole part is upper. It's a Boolean expression. Okay, not a it will not convert. It is upper means it's a question mark. It will either return true or false. Then we can first make the word as lower. So you have seen, right, the is upper and lower. If you want to check if the word is all in lower case, you will say is lower. But if you put dot lower, it will convert into the lower index, means the small letters. Now we are coming back to consonants, and we have already covered if there is a letter in the starting, if there is a letter in the end. So now we go to the main logic. It's basically checking if the first word is a vowel, so append y, or else just append ay, but basically changing the first index. So what we do is, we take a variable, we go through till the end of the length of the word is a greater than 0, and we append the consonant word by word if that word is not in vowels, and we just cut short the word from whatever the word we have appended, letter we have appended, and we see if the prefix consonants is not null, the consonant value is there, then we simply we append the word with the prefix consonants values and ay. or else we just take the word as it is and we append YAY. Now we also check. Now we got the word in its original format as well as now in a PigLatin format, and from original to a PigLatin format if I want to say it correctly. So if the word was in a upper text, we convert the word again to all upper text. If the word was in a title text, it means in it caps, we convert the word into a title text. And then at the last we go and we append the PigLatin in this list. And what this join function does, it will show you all the list value in the space. Whatever argument will provide you here, it will join the list and use this argument as a separator or as a delimiter. So this is how a PigLatin program has been written. If you want to get the live example, you can write the code and do it yourself, because my main part or my main objective here is to showcase the full working functionality of the code, and trust me, it is working. And you can provide more inputs if you want to see the runtime also, that how the runtime is happening and how exactly. But I guess this, if you write some words, you will be able to debug by yourself, and that's how you will be able to learn. That's why I'm not giving you example here, but please let me know if you want to have an example here also. And that's it. I hope you like this tutorial, and I cannot say the tutorial, it's a code walkthrough. And yeah, let's see if we can make more videos, and I hope so that I will complete this book, and we will complete this book, and we will solve all our doubts whatever we face. And thank you. Please subscribe this video, please share this video. I'm not making this video for now, it will be here in this YouTube channel, and